Good afternoon. I'm in my backyard, just got in from doing day's teaching. I'm just showing you an update on what we're doing at the house here. So we've been doing a little bit on the water tank. My family's actually moved in. We're living in the house now. We've still got electrical work and stuff to be done, so we're just using work lights and things like that off the power points. We haven't got any actual fixed lights, but one of the things we know about and we're trying to fix is this leak on the concrete water tank. So we've got this big crack up here, and if you've got a leak on it, this stuff is very effective. Is you mix up like a concrete slurry and then paint it on, and it will seep into the cracks and it forms a crystal that kind of grows where the leaks are, and it starts to seal up and stop the leaks. As you can see, that one's been quite a bad one, and it's been losing a lot of water down there at the bottom, but it does seem like it's slowing up. We're trying to use the water and hoping it doesn't rain, because that's going to put more pressure on there and it actually forces the water out. So as the water level drops, it should be easier for the Mr. Crystal to fix. So I'm just seeing how this goes, how it dries out over the next week or so, and then we'll do it again to fix up the gaps and tidy it up a bit. But this is the stuff, Crystal Fix. You just mix up a slurry of that with water and then paint it on. But what's happened here is the leak's been so bad, I don't know if you can make that out, but it's actually been just washing the stuff straight back out the cracks, so it hasn't sealed properly. So we're going to give that another treatment and another go. But you can see how badly it's been leaking. We've got a big pond down there and crack all the way around the bottom, dried up in parts, but other bits where it's been leaking quite badly. Gives you an indication of how much water's still in the tank. And around this side, right around the bottom, around the back, you can see it's still drying out there. And look at all this water that's been leaking out of the tank. So when you're only on one tank and dependent on rainwater, it's pretty important to get these things sorted out. More cracks around there, and a bit more around that side. So we'll see how it goes and give you an update on whether we manage to get this tank sealed or not, and hopefully does the job and dries the ground out. Okay, bye.